Welcome back to ThemePark HD, where this holiday season we redefine HD as in holiday destinations. Jump on the train with us as we head into this new year of 2025 as we check out the trains of NorthPark, located in Dallas, Texas. Let's go! Mission of hope and a journey of fun, family, and fundraising. That's the mission here for the trains at NorthPark, which benefits the Ronald McDonald House of Dallas. All aboard tickets, please. Start our journey. Did you know that the Trains of NorthPark is in its 37th year and that they are run by volunteers annually, with ticket and train sales benefiting the Ronald McDonald House, raising over $1 million this year. Speaking of Dallas, we start our journey right here in the Lone Star State, the only state to have been a country. Howdy y'all, welcome to the great state fair of Texas, where everything is bigger in Texas. Yeehaw! As we continue along our journey, we head west into the Wild West, just like many of our early forefathers did in the early years of America. Did you know there's over 1,600 linear feet of track here at the NorthPark, as well as over 15 different exhibits that you can try out and check out with you, adults, kids alike. There's something for all the family. As we have made our way west, we now cross the Golden Gate Bridge into San Francisco as we seek to find gold, gold, gold! Throughout the train journey at the trains at NorthPark, you and your friends can join in on a scavenger hunt where there are over 27 different pop culture and famous mini icons scattered throughout the tracks. As we arrive in the Lego Christmas Land, did you know that this exhibit alone has over 21,000 pieces? Again, 21,000 pieces alone here. Wow! Oh, oh, oh. As we have made our way through the mystical northern lands of the gingerbread and Lego Christmas, we now find ourselves in the Northeast. And with no further ado, New York City, the largest exhibit on site at this experience. As we begin our journey southward down the Atlantic, we say goodbye to New York City as we depart via Grand Central, a majestic in itself. The heart of our country, our nation's capital. Here we find the Washington Monument, Lincoln Memorial, the National Mall, and the White House. Our next stop, we are transported to Mount Thomas More, where Washington, Jefferson, Roosevelt, and Lincoln have been given facelifts in the stone. As we come to the end of our journey through the trains at NorthPark today, which, let me remind you, is an annual fundraiser for the Ronald McDonald House Foundation, we have seen many of our iconic cities and landscapes across this great USA come to life. If you're not sure why my accents change with the scenes, I'm not either, but we do hope you have enjoyed this point of view that comes with a cause. Again, we thank you for joining us, ThemePark HD, as we brought another holiday destination to you. Make sure you subscribe and like.